Hi everyone, my name is John. Today, I wanted to address a question that I get pretty frequently. That question is, should I learn to type with Dvorak? I am currently recognized as the fastest Dvorak typist, as I have scored 206 words per minute on 10 fast fingers and broken 200 words per minute on NitroType, so I feel like I have enough experience to speak on this topic. However, my answer to this question might surprise you. For those of you who don't know, Dvorak is an alternative keyboard layout that was designed in the 1930s to be superior to QWERTY, faster and more efficient. However, there is no proof that Dvorak has accomplished either of these goals. I'm currently ranked 23rd on 10 fast fingers, and 21 of the 22 people ahead of me use QWERTY. Viper, who is currently ranked 5th, uses Colmac. However, I do think that Dvorak provides a more comfortable typing experience. If you watch a video of someone typing Dvorak next to someone typing QWERTY, you'll see much less hand movement from the Dvorak typist. If you are looking to switch to Dvorak because you want to be a faster typist, you'd be better off just spending more time practicing QWERTY. But if you are someone who is looking for a more comfortable typing experience and think that switching sounds fun, then definitely give it a shot. However, before you pick up Dvorak, I would recommend at least considering Colmac. I have very little experience with it myself, but I think that there are similar benefits to it as Dvorak, except that it might be a little bit easier to learn because it is closer to QWERTY. The downside is that it is not built into Windows natively, so switching your keyboard layout is slightly more difficult. But don't let this scare you away, it's not too hard. If you choose to learn a new keyboard layout, whether it's Dvorak, Colmac, or just some other layout, rewiring your muscle memory will be very tough, and you need to be prepared for it to take months if not years. But I'll cover the actual switching process in another video soon. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions you have, and thanks for watching.